So now we are starting the UDP lab. So UDP means the user datagram protocol. Okay. So first we over the overview of a UDP is first we do the explanation of UDP. So UDP is a connectionless transport protocol, offers lightweight and unreliable communication. It does not provide guaranteed delivery or error recovery, making it ideal for a time-sensitive application. Second, the features of UDP. With the low overhead and minimal processing, UDP provides the fast and efficient data transmission. It facilitates the multicasting broadcasting, and it's widely used for real-time streaming and gaming. So third is the what is the requirements of the UDP? UDP does not establish a connection and performing handshaking. It requires a minimal memory and the CPU resources, making it suitable for a scenario where efficiency is paramount. So, what are the UDP's header format? So, first we have field, resource port, destination port, and LAN and checksum. So, field is a description. Source port is the port number of sender application. Destination port is the port number of receiver application. Length is the total length of UDP header and data in bytes. Okay, and checksum is a simple integrated check for UDP headers and data. So what are the applications of UDP? So real-time application UDP's low latency and simplicity make it ideal for real-time voice and video communication where the small delays are tolerable. And second is DNS. So UDP supports DNS queries, allowing to quick resolve the domain name into IP addresses, streaming, broadcasting, and network marketing. So here is the conclusion of this brief introduction about UDP as that user datagram protocol offers a lightweight, fast, efficient approach toward data transmission. At simplicity and the low latency make it an essential tool for a real-time application, streaming, and network monitoring. So now we are starting the Wireshark Lab of UDP. So first we have to start the capturing packet in Wireshark. So I already don't do the capturing. So I just open the trace file that are given in this PDF. Here it is. So, okay. So now first we have to filter out the UDPs. Okay. So I am just filtering out UDP. So So the first question is select one UDP packet from your trace and from these packet determine how many fields are in the UDP header. So I'm just selecting one and go to the user datagram protocol. So here we have source port, destination port, length and checksum. Okay, so we have four header fields. Okay. So next question is by consulting the displaying the information in Wireshark packet contain field for these packet determine the length in a byte of each header field. For which we go to UDP and just I'm clicking on first the source port. So it have 2 bytes as you can see here on downside. Okay. At mouse cursor as you can see 2 byte. The destination port also have 2 byte. The length is also have a 2 bytes. So all have 2 bytes. Okay, as you can see here also it is a 2 byte. So what is the maximum number of bytes that can include in the UDP payload? Sorry, I forgot one question. So the value of a length field is the length of what? So by it is we are seeing the 4. So the sum of 2 is 8. So we have 8 header bytes. Okay. So next questions I already read the what is the maximum number of bytes that can be included in a UDP payload. So here it is the largest possible source port number is 2 to power 16 minus 1. Okay. So we here it is 65535. Okay, and we have header byte of 8 bytes. So the maximum number of bytes that include in UDP is 65527. Okay, 65527. Okay, the fifth question is the largest possible source port number. So largest possible source port number is 65,535 by the calculating 2 to power 16 minus 1. Okay, so the next question is what is the protocol number of UDP? And give your answer in both hexadecimal and decimal notation. So for which I'm selecting this and go to the IP protocol version center of IP. So I'm just opening it. And as you can see, here is the protocol number of 17 in decimal. And in the equivalent of this, here as you can see, the hexa 11. Okay, here it is the hexadecimal notation. Hexa 11. Okay. So next question is examine the pair of UDP packet in which your host send the post UDP packet and second UDP packet is replied to the first UDP packet and describe the relation between the port number in two packets. So first we go to the first here. As you can see, it is the send and there is a reply of first. So I'm going to this and now I'm going to the UDP section. And here as you can see the source port number of this is 4372 and destination is 53. Okay, of replying, we go to the reply and as you can see here, okay, the destination port number of this is 4372 of and it is equivalent to the source port number of replying first UDP packet is also 4372. Okay, and here is the destination is first of replying his destination is 53 and here it is the source port is 53. Okay, so here our UDP lab is also complete. Thank you.